Okay, so first, I just want to start off with some acknowledgements. So first, we'd like to thank Professor Stefano Curtarolo, who's the director of our Center for Autonomous Materials Design at Duke University. We'd also particularly like to thank Frisco Rose, who's the main developer of the AFLOW Search API, and Professor Michael Mail, who worked with us on the Library of Crystallographic Prototypes that David showed. Then we would like to thank Professor Alexander Asayev, who's at UNC Chapel Hill, and Professor Alex Chopsha, who's at UNC Chapel Hill. Professor Asayev has now moved to Carnegie Mellon, who is now an assistant professor. They worked with us on developing the PLMF machine learning models. Then Dr. Fleur Legrand, Dr. Jesus Correte, and Dr. Natalia Mingo at CEA Grenoble developed the MFD machine learning model. Dr. Valentin Stanev and Professor Chiro Takeuchi at University of Maryland worked with us developing the AFLOW superconductivity model. Eric Gossett, who was a former student in our group, did a lot of the work on developing the AFLOW ML API. Dr. Rico Friedrich, who was a postdoc in our group and is now at the Helmholtz Zentrum in Dresden-Rossendorf in Germany, was the main developer of the CCE, this coordination corrected entropies method. We'd also like to thank Professor Elizabeth Apila for working on this to organize this workshop. And finally, just like to mention a few things. So again, the database is available at aflow.org. The sources, so the latest version of AFLOW you can download from aflow.org install-aflow. The AFLOW seminars, again, and as well as the AFLOW schools, you can find at aflow.org/seminars. For future job opportunities, and I think current job opportunities, we have some openings at the moment. You can email your CV to jobs@materials.duke.edu. And you can also contact us if you have any other questions about any of the stuff we showed today. So it's Corey Oses at corey.oses@duke.edu, David Hicks at david.hicks@duke.edu, Marco Esters at marco.esters@duke.edu, and myself at cormac.toher@duke.edu. We'd also like to thank the sponsorship from the National Science Foundation and from the Office of Naval Research. And we'd also like to thank all of you for your attention. So thank you very much.